So I'll be reviewing this fitness watch today. Comes with a little quick guide, charging cable, which is like, I think over there. The watch itself definitely says it's wire resistant, which I don't know why they put that like in big letters. It's kind of distracting, but whatever. I kind of get like having a back and main like written on there, but why water resist? Like, bro, what? Yeah, so this watch is kind of interesting because, like, even though it's fully charged out of the box, you do have to plug it in to turn it on, which is, like, unnecessary. It does use this, like, magnetic cable, which you would think would be pretty intuitive, because I've used magnetic cables before, and they just, like, snap on. But this one here, I think you got to put the prongs, like, a certain direction, otherwise it, like, repels. It's very, like, unnecessary in my opinion, but, whatever. So let me just, like, turn it on and, like, give you like, my, first thoughts here. See, oops, upside down. There we go. So, switch time manually. Go back here. Oh, let me just set scan the QR code, download the app. Oh, it's one of these where like you have to download the app before you can like even like turn this thing on, which is really annoying. Let me just do that real fast. All right, there we go. I download the app. The app is definitely one of those like whiny apps where it's like, I need this permission, I need that permission, I need like sync to your this and that. It's like, oh my god, leave me alone, please. Let's see here, keypad. So once again we just got like some basic stuff here: heart rate, stress, sleep. Kind of the same like graphic design as like another watch I reviewed. I don't know if it's from the same company or whatever. Edit card, breathing, sports history. Okay, cool. At the voice ball, ask the question. Sorry about that. As soon as I tapped the voice ball, the video stopped because I had to sync to Android or whatever. But yeah, like this watch here is again like definitely kind of like cheaply made and like is a little bit demanding with the app or whatever, but like if you want like something cheap, you know, you don't want to afford the Apple Watch, I think it's a fine thing to get. So yeah, take care.